Trying to close an app on your MacBook Neo, but it still looks like it's running? Let me show you 4 easy ways to properly close any app on your Mac. Let me clear, when you are done working with an app and click on the cross sign, it doesn't fully close the app. You can tell it is still open and running in the background because there will be a small dot under the app's icon. The fastest way is using your keyboard. Just open the app and press Command+Q. That's it. The app quits completely. Easy, right? Here's another way that feels very Mac native. Open the app. Then look at the top menu bar. Click the app name in the top left corner and select Quit from the drop-down. This is especially useful if you're already using the menu bar for other actions. If you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, the dock is super handy. Right-click on the app icon in your dock, then select Quick. Boom! The app closes fully without needing any keyboard shortcuts. Sometimes apps freeze or don't respond. That's when you need to force quit. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then choose Force Quit. You'll see a list of all active apps. Select the one that's frozen or even multiple apps, then hit Force Quit. That forces them to close immediately. And that's it. Those are 4 simple ways to fully close or quit apps on your MacBook Neo. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.